In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the album cover trend on TikTok. Okay, so you just saw what I did with the album cover trend on this video. So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this. So to do this, you will need two separate apps. If I go ahead and go to my app store, you want to go ahead and search for an app called PicsArt. It's this app right here. You want to go ahead and make sure that that is installed because we're going to be needing that. And then the next one, you either need InShot, this app right here, or you can use Video Leap as well. Video Leap will work the same, but for this example I'm just going to use InShot because that's what I'm familiar with and that's what I use. Okay, so how do you go ahead and create that album cover video so you can post that onto your TikTok? Well, the first step is you will need to go to the camera on your phone and record that first video that's going to show up before the album cover. I've already gone ahead and prepared a video for this example, so I'm going to go find it. And it's this video right here. So if I go ahead and play this video, you can see it's a very simple video. And what you need to do is actually take a screenshot of the video. So I'll do that real quick. And you need to take that screenshot of the video to edit with PicsArt. So next I'm going to go to PicsArt and I'll just find that on my phone. Open up PicsArt and you'll just need to create an account if it's the first time opening it up. And then you'll be on this screen and then you just want to scroll down until you find where it says drawings, and then you want to select pick canvas underneath drawings. And then you want to make sure you have the 1080 by 2145 screen size with the white background, and then tap on the arrow at the top right. Then you want to go ahead and tap on add object at the bottom right hand corner. And then you want to add photo. Then you just want to go ahead and add the screenshot that you just took, and you want to crop this to a square. So you can see at the bottom it says square. Tap on square and select your frame, and I'll just select it just like this. Tap on the check mark at the top right, and you can go ahead and resize this just something like that. And then once you've resized your image, you want to go ahead and tap on add objects again, and then you want to add a sticker. And then in the search bar you want to tap on the little magnifying glass at the top, and then you want to search for advisory. That's going to give you the parental advisory sticker that you can put over it. I would select the one in the middle on the second row. So tap on it. You want to resize it so you can position it on your photo. Then I would put it on the bottom right hand corner just like that. And then you want to tap on the arrow at the top right, and you want to save this image. Tap on save picture on your device. Now that picture has been saved on your gallery, and now you want to go to either InShot or Video Leap. So I'll go to InShot. And then when you go ahead and open it up, it's going to look like this. Then you want to tap on video, and then you want to go ahead and select the video that you took plus the parental advisory image that you just created. And I can see it didn't add the parental advisory sticker, so I must go on to PicsArt again, go back, and you actually need to tap on the white area for that to save into the actual picture. Then tap on save again, and now that should be saved. So I can go into InShot, and there I have the image. So I've selected video. Now I want to select the 7-second video that I took, or it's this one here, the 5-second video. And then I want to select the parental advisory image I just took. Tap on the green check mark at the bottom right. So if I go ahead and play this, you can see the video plays, and then the image should transition into it with the album cover, and I can pause it. Then tap on the bottom where you can see the timeline, and you just want to trim this down to, let's say, to where the line is. So it's about that long, and you can even trim the front of the video just like that for a bit. And then I can go ahead and play this. And there the album cover comes up. And you can do this with multiple videos and multiple album covers in the same video to make it a 60-second TikTok video. And then once that's done, you tap on the save button at the top right, tap on save, you can select 1080p. Oh, and one thing you need to make sure of is if you tap on canvas there above that plus icon, you want to go ahead and select the TikTok canvas size on the far right, save that, and then you want to save the video in 1080p, saving right now. And the video has been saved, so you can go onto TikTok now, and you can go ahead and tap on the plus icon in the screen, and you can tap on the upload button at the bottom right. Then you can select the video, and this should be the album cover video that we just created. Just like that, the album cover pops up and it will replay. So I'm going to select that one, tap on next at the bottom right, and you can just go through the posting process. You want to add a nice cool soundtrack to this, and just like that, you've created the album cover trend on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.